How to use the Stylize filter. Today's video is sponsored by the Flubber. Cut your clip in the parts where you want to apply the effect. Duplicate that part and bring it over to the side. You'll need this for later. Right-click to your clip, make it a new Fusion clip, and open the Fusion page. Add a merge node. Bring the Stylize node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Increase the style scale slider to 5, and change the style to Lamuse. Add a watercolor node after. Connect it to the merge as a foreground, select the merge and change the apply mode to luminosity. If you want less details, go to the watercolor node and increase the smoothness slider. Add another merge node. Bring a noise texture image into the flow. Add a resize node. Bring a transform node after and connect it to the merge as a foreground. Select the merge node, change the apply mode to overlay, and set the blend slider to your liking. Select the transform node. Change the edges to mirror, and modify the center value and the angle with the shake modifier. For the angle modifier, set the maximum to 360. Select your second merge and add a stop motion node after. Change the frame repeat to 3, and go back to the edit page. Bring a noise dissolve transition to your clip. I will use the version 4, but you can use whatever you like. Now it's time to use the copy we made in the beginning. Bring it on top of your clip, open it to the color page, and use the magic mask to cut out your subject. If you don't know how to use the magic mask, guess what? You will not learn it from this video. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, I believe that's not my problem.